Piggy, 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 Piggy. Come on, Piggy, Piggy, Piggy.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Well, we're making a new dog yard. Remember how I said the plans are always changing? We've decided to move the RV into a whole new spot.
We got to be fluid.
You know, the thing is a lot of our stuff being moved is because we're filming, and the RV could stay where it's at if we weren't trying to film what we were doing and get good footage. So we're gonna shift this, move it all the way over here, which is a pretty good distance from where it's at now. And we're gonna go ahead and set the dog yard up here, because hopefully Scott and Olivia will be able to get over here and help us pretty soon with shifting this RV. So we don't want to set the dog yard up way over there when it's gonna end up being over here. So hopefully we won't have to move this again for quite a while. At least most of the season.
Goals.
Fingers crossed. Okay, so I think I want to add one more T-post over here, attach the T-post to this, and then we can bring the dogs out. Hey, you guys. Nope, wait. 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 Bobby, you want to go in? What are you going to do, bud? It is break time.
Break! I love breaks.
Time. So we're having a blueberry Too Good low-fat yogurt with sugar-free blueberry jam in ours. What are you having?
I'm having granolas because I have not gone through
I think
my
it's really comical that you brought the entire box out here.
You'll never know how many she'll want to eat.
And instead of just bringing like 2.
Well,
How many plan on eating? 48?
if I can do that like in one go, I would be so amazed. With
Well,
myself.
how many hamburgers did you eat the other night?
Mm-hmm.
4.
5.
5. Oh, I missed one.
Wow.
I was hungry.
Are you excited about your trip to Kentucky?
I am. I'm looking forward to it. It's
You haven't been to your dad's house in a while.
2 years.
2 years. Wow.
Yeah.
And he's close by your grandparents?
Well, wait. Didn't you visit your grandma just like here recently?
Okay, I guess a year then. Wait, it was a year.
Okay.
was
See,
you.
Grandma?
Wasn't that where you were when I first got here last
Yeah.
July? Okay, so
Yeah.
Yeah, so right out a year.
so almost a year.
Hey, Tiny Panther. So Bobby's going to stay with us on Mouse Patrol.
Yeah. He seems to be doing a good job, mind you. I think he's
He
been trying
actually-
to take out a few squirrels.
Well, no, the squirrels and the chipmunks are gone, and he watches the baby bunnies. But since he's been let loose, the weasel's been gone, the little chipmunks have been gone. So as far as having him patrol the garden areas, hopefully he won't poop in my beds. But
We put the forks up right. They say it keeps the cats and the rabbits out.
7,000 forks.
Plastic forks. Yeah. 7,000 plastic
If
forks.
you make plastic forks and would like to sponsor us, we're looking for a sponsor. So you'll get to be there at your dad's because he's in Kentucky. So you'll get to be there all summer and all winter. So I'm really glad to get the dog kennel up. They love just being outside and they get stuck inside.
Yeah.
Since even though we get out and we walk them, but like this 4 days of rain that we've just had, well, I guess it's been 3 days. It's been
Got a little restless.
got a little restless. And we've definitely decided that we're moving the RV to way over there so that we can work on the shipping container.
Yeah.
A little bit easier.
Easier to show people. Easier to actually have room.
Yeah. So it was a really neat idea to be able to kind of attach the two and then walk back and forth. But I think honestly, we're not going to be doing much inside there. Summertime, we'd spend outside anyway. Like if we're just hanging out, we just sit outside. So we'll set up a little outdoor area,
Well,
I think. Nicer.
We have a barn to get going, so we have to get some milling done. We have to get things ready for that barn racing.
Yeah.
So that's super important.
And then, we're putting the deck up, and basically the offcuts that we're not using for the barn build is what will be used for for little things around this. So, and I'm really kind of chomping at the bit to get. We live in a flight pattern, so this is where everybody flies over. It's also one of the reasons why we don't do a lot of drone footage, because they're lower flying planes right here, and that is actually a legality issue. We've had helicopters literally be hovering right over the trees. It's kind of crazy.
It looks like a rain cloud.
It does. Look over there.
What? What?
I know. It said no rain today, just cloudy. So that's weird.
I hope it doesn't rain. I still got work to do.
Well, the dogs are going to be super upset about being that far, so hopefully we can get the RV shifted over pretty quick. And Victor can't get the skiddy over today. He said he actually had to use it, but he's going to try really hard to bring it tomorrow.
Okay.
So,
well, we're not going to be here. We have to.
I guess I'm not going to the airport then. If that's the only day I can have it. He has to have it back on Monday. So if that's like the only day that I can have it, then that's the only day. I mean,
I got you. Makes sense.
I'm not enjoying doing this by hand back there. That's a lot of work. And yeah, because he'll probably come drop it off in the morning, and then I think he's still working. And now cold. My jacket's inside.
That's how it works. It's hot while you're working, then you sit down and rest, and then the clouds come up.
Yep. These really do look like rain clouds.
They sure do.
So, even though we're going to continue working, so probably the next few videos, you're going to see us in these exact same clothes.
We like to wear the same clothes over and over and over and over.
And we only bathe twice a week. Again, I don't know why we're single.
I have no idea.
But I think we've got enough footage basically for a video, so we're going to call it at that. And I do want to remind you guys that we have our get together July 23rd. There will be a URL code here at the end of the video that you can click onto to take you to the website to get you all the information so that you can register. And make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. We'd love to have you follow the journey today. We've got a bunch of little what we call filler videos, but this is what we're doing for the week. And we've got to get these animals contained so that we can get to hardcore working on the garden, and then get back to this build, and then work on milling the sawmill, milling out the kit for the barn and garage.
Yeah.
And the dog's pretty much done. They're gonna start barking now. They're like, you've had enough time. So you may see Kirra in the next few videos, but you're leaving on Sunday, right?
Yep. Tomorrow,
Which
in our
is
case.
tomorrow.
Which is tomorrow. So it may be the next few videos, and then
Another plane.
and then not till next year probably. So thanks for hanging out with us, guys.